The very first day at my school, I feel like I was at home.
Hard day or not, I can go home happy from work every day.
When you say Clara Brown, to me is family.
When I first came here, I wasn't totally sure what entrepreneurial learning was, but I quickly found out that it was more of a way of thinking. It's not just about starting a business, that's not the point. It was about coming at things from a different angle.
Your curiosity will be the main factor to you being a very great student at the school.
And we have really cool projects here, so I also love those.
When I opened up our project-based learning at the start of the school year, I have never seen kids so excited about learning.
Learning helps grow your brain.
When I do get to learn stuff I haven't, it makes you feel kind of powerful, I guess.
So they're like super passionate about it. They want to work, they want to learn, and they're much more engaged. I like seeing all the little leadership qualities that the kids have. They are stepping up to be researchers, or they're stepping up to be in charge of their group, or finding different ways and skills that they need in the real world.
It's a place to try new things and not worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are okay, and everybody makes mistakes. I personally make a lot of mistakes. The important thing about that is you can learn from your failure.
We have something called pop-up shops,
Those are my business plans.
where the kids actually write a business plan and then sell their products.
These are really fun keychains that have words on them.
So they are not only creating their own things that they're selling, but then they're in charge of collecting money from students, calculating how much change they need.
That's a lot of money in here.
And then they're able to calculate how much they made at the end of the day.
We have a DJ business. It shows his entrepreneurial skills.
I like to get people moving.
I mean, even talking about it brings tears to my eyes, as proud as I am of them. I really do appreciate the school doing that because it's every event that they have. They ask them to come and DJ and participate.
When I think about my future, I think I'll have success with myself. My future would be anything that I want to do.
I think about Clara Brown. She wasn't looking at skin tone, she wasn't looking at background, she was just looking for who needed help. Each teacher, each educator, each person that comes into Clara Brown, they really should work to have that same mindset.
I like the staff because they're really helpful.
My teachers make me feel happy, supportive, and confident.
They can build that connection with us and we can help them through whatever it is that they're going through.
We also provide support for mental health and behavior as well, so that we can really wrap ourselves around our students who need something different and unique.
The world of education is supposed to be all different walks of life coming together for the same goal. We're trying to make our future brighter with the ones coming up behind us.
It's just a very warm and happy place to be.
It makes me feel like a warmth in my stomach or something.
I can't brag enough to other people at other schools about how much I do love coming to my job every day.
I feel love and excitement in my heart.
Are you looking for a class that has community?
I like Clara Brown community because it's so nice.
Are you looking for classrooms that are responsive and culturally responsive?
We are welcoming anybody and everybody.
Then Clara Brown is the school for you. You don't know what you're missing.
When I think of Clara Brown, I think of new opportunities.
A welcoming school that pushes kids out of their comfort zones and be the best version of themselves.
When we all do well is when we all do well.
Clara Brown Entrepreneur Academy in Aurora, Colorado. There you go.